Hello. So it's the next morning. The thing is, I wasn't able to finish everything yesterday, and my iPhone went out of storage. So I can basically just tell you what we have done yesterday. We painted the mirror caps and the fender with 4 or 5 layers of clear coat. And yeah, I'm just looking over there because I have the fender lying over there. Can't wait to show it to you. But yeah, there's some debris or dust on there, so I have to polish or sand. I hope that it is just polishing, but I guess sanding is faster. So here are the runs that I was talking about earlier. Camera, focus. Oh yeah, so now you are able to see them, and here's also something, yeah, you are able to see it. So I hope I'm able to actually sand it down. So as you might be able to see, it looks much better now. I'm not able to feel anything anymore. Yeah, down here, but that really doesn't matter. So I need to polish it so that it doesn't look like somebody used sandpaper on it, and then it's good. Yeah. This here is too deep in already, but I really don't want to spray clear again because it would need a lot of work and hours and hours and hours. This here is looking clean. You're not able to feel it, you're just able to see it. But since nobody is ever going to look like from down here to your mirror, it doesn't really matter. So this here is the other mirror cap, and we have a run from all the way here to here. I don't really know how I should approach it. I guess sandpaper, and we will see this here. Here it is a bit more sticking out than it is over the whole line. And here's also a big drop. But yeah, this should be kind of easy, and this here should need some time. Okay, so from here to here it's now gone practically, so there's just this part left with the two deep ones here and here, and just two middle-sized drops. Yeah. And again, a lot of polishing work. Yeah, it looks much better now, again, like it already did on the other mirror cap, so they're both done now. To be quite honest, I would prefer to put another coat of clear over the now smooth top, because that would already make a big difference. I got the fender in, and yeah, there is already some dirt on because I left it in the sun for the past few minutes, but it looks much better than I thought. Yeah. Here is the debris I was talking about earlier, but I would say that is not that important, because you never look down on this part, because the doors always, or when the doors open, it's in the way, because here, right around here, should be the door hinge. So, and it could also be from just driving around. And we have some little spots on here, here one, and here's also one, here's also one. But they should go away when I polish the car the next time. And in general, I really like how it turned out. Perfect. So for today, that's it. My fender is done, my mirror caps are done, and in the next episode I'm going to install all that stuff on my car. Why I need new mirror caps, long story. Oh, I'm going to tell you in the next video. But that's it for today.
So, goodbye!